Cetecat. Especialistas en productividad.
Lumotech is a leading supplier of advanced automotive lighting to the South African OEM, replacement and aftermarket segments, including Volkswagen, Toyota and Ford, as well as their dealer networks. The company also supplies energy-efficient streetlights and warehouse lighting to the commercial market under the Envirolight brand. Through its range of products, Lumotech has developed advanced skills and processes in the fields of injection molding and decoration of plastic parts by direct vacuum metallizing. These specialized techniques allow for many variations on the final product, while requiring unique processes per specification. Over the past 10 years, Lumotech has reduced its number of manufacturing SKUs from over 7,000 to less than 1,500 products manufactured today. As the overall range of SKUs was reduced, so the business focused on winning high-volume contracts, which have allowed the factory to optimize each product's manufacturing process.
Our processes have also become a lot more complicated, and therefore we need more control over what we're doing here.
We run a Japanese Kanban system, which is normally a manual system. So it has a lot of manual cards moving around. It's a lot of logistics people walking around, and typically the problem with it is that you lose Kanban cards, you lose stock in the process, and you don't know about it.
With WMS, we'll be able to react a lot quicker to issues, and we can control our stock much better.
The Datascope WMS software was integrated at Lumotech within 12 weeks during the last quarter of 2013. Typical scanner-based warehouse management solutions were implemented in both the raw materials and finished goods warehouses to ensure optimal stock control and accuracy. An advanced RFID Kanban solution was implemented in the factory to control work-in-progress inventory. The solution works as follows. Kanban cards, such as this one, are created and released into the Kanban system by the factory planning department. Each card is given an RFID tag and is scanned into an active state using an RFID reader. The cards are then placed on one of 3 factory Kanban boards, where it becomes clear for the factory to see when a particular product needs to be manufactured. The manufacture of any product is triggered by moving Kanban cards to an injection molding machine. The products are molded and placed into standard Kanban cartons, with a Kanban card affixed to the front of the carton. As the cartons are taken into inventory, each Kanban card is swiped at a local Kanban RFID station. This transaction automatically backflushes the product in the Syspro ERP system and changes the Kanban card status to in inventory in the Datascope WMS. At a future point, a downstream operation will request this inventory and the carton will be scanned to the next operation. On doing this, the Kanban card's quantity is updated to 0 and it is moved to the planning board, where it is finally swiped to set the status back to in planning.
One of the key things that they wanted to achieve was stock accuracy or stock control, inventory control, and they were able to do that very successfully. By getting the control of the inventory and getting the inventory accurate inside Syspro, they've been able to plan a lot better and they've been able to optimize their inventory holding a lot better.
What Datascope WMS has done is it allows for real-time visibility of your stock. That obviously feeds back into a greater stock accuracy, allowing our purchasing people to obviously order the right quantities at the right time, especially for these long lead items.
Implementation was very good. We've had great support from WMS and their team. And they were on the shop floor with us all day and really helped us, and it was very quick and easy.
So the WMS system, we liked it when we first saw it because 1, it interacted with Syspro very well, and 2, it was able to be adjusted to suit our Kanban system and the way we do Kanban.
We were able to take our WMS layer, use the entire WMS layer, tweak it slightly just to include the RFID Kanban portions or module, and therefore we were able to implement very quickly within the business.
We saw about an increase of 76% in accuracy, so that went very well. We also reduced the number of days in which we did the stock take.
No renuncie a trabajar mejor. Contáctenos.